Hi everyone, my name is Bemsolo Olaniran. Thank you for the opportunity to be able to design the Chapel Regional Hospital Quality Improvement Plan. Today I've decided to put together a design to cover the quality problems and also how to resolve them. The quality improvement method that I decided to use include control charts, design of experiments, and balance scorecard. The control chart will be used to analyze and display data using method of statistics to know if variation is caused by a cause that is undesirable. The design of experiments will be used to know the impacts that changes make to certain factors in the hospital, such as patient satisfaction. These changes can include clinical interventions that are made in the hospital processes. On the other hand, the balance scorecard will be used to manage and measure the performances of the hospital, especially the activities of the hospital, in terms of its strategic goals and vision. The dimension that will be include patient perspective, financial receivables and margins, internal processes, and innovations and learnings. The quality improvement models. The most commonly applied method of quality improvement in healthcare is MFI, Model for Improvement in Full. This method applies a process of rapid cycle, known as the PDSA, to test the impact of small changes on organizational processes, make the small changes, and finally spread the changes in the healthcare facility. The method of MFI includes three main points, which are what is being accomplished, how the change will be identified, and an improvement and changes that can be made to change the improvement. The other model commonly applied is the Lean Six Sigma, which is a combination of the method of Six Sigma and the Lean. The result of the combination of these two models is a framework which gives a method of assessing the potential effort of QI value and also give an approach of project execution. The role of patient experience. Patient experience plays a significant role in quality improvement. Surveys of patient experience can be used to inform improvement on where the hospital is lacking and can be improved by enhancing the hospital responsiveness to the system of healthcare. Patient experience survey can also be used to determine the areas that have poor performances and those areas that could use some changes. Providing good experience for patients is a sign of providing care and services of good quality. Feedback from surveys of patient experience can be used to make useful conclusions of quality improvement. Patient experiences generally plays a significant role in improving an assessment of the care standard of a healthcare facility. Quality Improvement Plan application. The Quality Improvement Plan will offer hospitals a meaningful way to articulate its accountability to the community, staff, and patients. The Quality Improvement Plan concentrates on delivering a positive experience for patients and provide them with high-quality care. The Quality Improvement Plan will also help the hospital to find better and new method of doing things that can enhance the care provided to patients. It will help increase the satisfaction of patients and even have excellent or better outcomes of the clinic. The Quality Improvement Plan will be used as a tool that will assist in reviewing the current performances of the hospital. With the plan, the hospital will be able to gauge and see its current performance and also see its targeted results for improvement. It will also help in charting the progress of the hospital. Statistics used in quality improvement method. Some of the statistics used in quality method include hypothesis testing, regression analysis, process of statistical control, and analysis and design of experiments. In the hypothesis testing statistic, there are normally two hypotheses that are evaluated, which are alternative hypothesis and null hypothesis. The regression analysis statistics involve the use of expressions in mathematics to determine the relationship between variables in a hospital, such as quality of services and patient satisfaction. The process of statistical control monitors and enhances process using statistical method. It identifies when there are processes which are out of control because of special variation. The analysis and design of experiments plan conducts, analyzes, and interprets the data to determine the factor which may affect a certain response, variables like patient satisfaction in a hospital. The last but not the least, the task force of the quality improvement plan. In developing priorities for the quality improvement plan, the local groups and clinicians are involved. They are engaged in the development of action plans that are evidence-based for every indicator. Also, the staff at every level are also involved in the setting of the local priorities of the quality improvement plan. The staff can access the quality improvement plan page and they can be able to see the progress in attaining their target. They can also engage in meaningful discussion on how the efforts can have an impact on their plan. The board members and senior leaders discuss and review the progress in relation to the quality improvement plan at least 4 times a year. Thank you so much. If anyone has a question, you can throw it now. If not, have a good day. Bye.